make a very good point that it's important that the players understand that whosoever is writing on them, be it the praise or the criticism, he or she understands the sport and is not doing out of some spite. Because sometimes you do come across a few articles where you sort of feel that maybe the criticism is unconstructive and probably a little out of line, and that tend to, and in today's times when there is so much of social media access and so many platforms, it can really affect some the likes of young players, like how Prithvi Shaw spoke. Like after the Australia tour, all of it took a toll on him, all the criticism and everything. So if so, what would you like to suggest to any budding sports person who's going through a tough patch, that should they shut themselves off social media and shut themselves off all criticism, or should they sort of accept it that it's a part and parcel of being a sportsman today?
I think today's sportsman is under intense scrutiny. One is because of the television, of course, the ever-present, what should I say, media, where somebody you can just pull out your telephone and and record an event, right? It was not happening in my time. You just can't just pull out. I mean, just start video recording something. So for them, it is very difficult to be at their best behavior always. They will make a mistake. They are human beings, but what happens is that that little departure from good behavior is caught on camera or reported in the media. The idea is that the journalist is trying to be different. How will he be different? Either he writes good or he writes bad, right? He comes up with this gossipy rubbish. So players are under pressure, so they have to guard themselves against this social media. It can help them reach out to so many fans, and it can also help them damage their reputation when they are exposed to so many fans. So they will. It always helps to accept criticism, because not everyone is always trying to be personal in the criticism. So it is an area, Gurkirat, where the role lies with the administrators. At the beginning of the season, they should apprise the players that look, this is how it's going to be. You will not always be praised. There will be criticism also. It is, Gurkira, just like how the umpires prepare for the season. You know how they prepare? They have their own list of bowlers who are troublemakers. So they share it among themselves, and they tell each other, look, Gurkirat is the one who oversteps always, so you have to be very careful with his no ball. And Vijay Lokapalli is very terrible with his appealing. He will appeal for every ball, so don't take his appeals very seriously always. So these are little things they share among themselves. And so similarly, players also would know which journalist to trust as far as criticism is concerned. But yes, it helps if the player learns to accept the fact that yes, he has made a mistake and he has to improve.